Now, let me give you the profit sharing. Okay, what is profit sharing? Christmas bonus. We're giving a Christmas bonus not once a year, but 4 times a year or every quarter. Okay, January to March, April to June, July to September, and October to December. To qualify is so easy. DLC giving us 7% from the country sales every 3 months, and whoever qualify for each level, we will just share between the distributor. And to become my profit sharing manager is so easy. Let's say, for example, you just need level 1. You just need to help one guy. Isang tao lang. Matulungan mo to achieve 15% or 2,000 PV and qualify for 8 weeks in a quarter. Every quarter is 3 months or, to be exact, 13 weeks. At dapat gawin nyo lang, pareho kayo mag-qualify ng 2,000 PV at 8 linggo sa loob ng 13 weeks. Hindi kailangan consecutive. Then you are going to share 1.25% as my level 1 profit sharing manager. Do it for 12 weeks, additional 1.25% or a total of 2.5%. Okay? Then, what if I become a profit sharing manager, paano naman downline ko? Ang downline mo automatically become a BB or business builder. By just maintaining the 8 weeks na 15% niya, this time, you will also receive 1% of total as the BB bonus. Okay? Now, let me show you some of the check we give before. When you see people with a blue sash, this is our business builder qualifier. This is our super BB, okay? And this is our profit sharing manager with the red sash, okay? That is the profit sharing check. And how do you like this one? Okay ba sa inyo? Okay, actually maliit lang ito. Let me show you what happened in our head office at Taiwan. Times 1.5 to get the peso, this is Taiwan dollar. This is what they receive as their profit sharing. Lalo na ito. Gusto nyo? Yes, of course. Now, let me give you one more. The travel incentive. We give travel incentive every year, 5 days and 4 nights. All expenses paid trip. First trip was in Hawaii. Then Bali. Last year, we just came from Sydney, Australia. And good news, this May, again, we are going to Japan. Okay? Pero good news para sa inyo, kasi hindi kayo kasali. So, paano na kayo sasali? Next year, kayo naman sasama. Saan naman next year? Next year will depend on this next incentive kung makukuha natin. The President's Award. What is President's Award? Ang President's Award actually is a pension plan. Once you qualify for it, ikaw ay pensionado ka ng habang buhay. Okay? Meaning, even one day, wala ka na sa Pilipinas, you go out sa ibang bansa, you qualify for it, we'll continue to send the money to you until the day you die. And to qualify, the country have to make 300 million sales, country sales, national sales in 1 year. Then we declare that year the President's Award year. After that, we will set aside 10 to 70% profit from the tax. Okay, before tax, now to serve as a pool money para ibigay sa qualifier of President's Award. And for you to qualify for President's Award, you need to be a President's Award member. How to become a President's Award member? You need to be a super level 3 profit sharing manager, or by helping only 3 persons to achieve 15%, qualified 12 weeks in 4 quarters. Then you become a member of President's Award. And if we go for it, okay, then you're going to share also the President's Award. Question, kailan din makukuha ito? Kaibigan, good news. Because this year, the 2014, the goal of DLC is literally charging toward the President's Award year. Kaya this year namin pupunin itong President's Award year. Are you with me? Yes, of course. Now, if we get the President's Award this 2014, kaibigan, next year, we're going to travel to Italy, Rome, and Venice, you see? Wow, wala pa bang kumain? Nakita mo? Okay, this is the travel incentive that DLC offer. Last but not the least, let me give you the Pioneer Incentive Program. What is Pioneer Incentive Program? First, you need to qualify for 15% at least 1 week. May isang linggo lang mag 15% of 2,000 PB. Congratulations! You already qualified for Client Incentive Program. Then, sa succeeding weeks niya, anytime you achieve 15% in any given week, your group PB will be accumulated. Ipunin na natin hanggang magsimula ng President's Award. Then, we're going to set aside another 10% from the President's Award. This time, lahat ng group PB na pinakipunan nyo ay hahati-hati, prorated, para ibigay namin sa inyo incentive. Okay? Okay ba sa inyo? Yes! Sabi nga natin, with less than 5 cups of latte, it will give you a Diamond Lifestyle. That is DLC, and that is Diamond Lifestyle. Thank you very much!